discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Oh, wow.
Let me explain this to you real quick.
All right.
Alright, the 18 is dual 2 ohm.
Okay.
1 amp, 1 amp. Then I got 15 and 15.
Okay.
Up to 4 ohms wired up to 1 amp,
Okay.
1 amp. So it brings it back down to 2
That
ohms.
one ain't working.
Okay, so this one's down.
That one's down, these 2 are working.
Okay.
And this is one side of the 18 at 2 ohm.
Okay.
And this one is at one side of the 18 at 2 ohm. And then
Okay. Got it.
Each
Okay.
15 is
One and one.
wired up to 4 ohms, so it brings it back down to 2 ohm when you hook it up.
Got it. Yep.
Negative.
Yep. Okay.
So it kind of keeps
Yeah.
it at a stable 2
Is everything still phased right? Try to be, yeah.
You'll hear it.
All right.
It's a different sound than the last one.
All right. Is there an upgraded alternator?
350 here. Hot the hood.
Is this the Frankenstein?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, you did a lot of paint job work on this hood.
Yeah, we just freshened it up this year.
Nice.
What, you know, somebody ain't got much money, it works.
Oh yeah, it works. Get the job done.
That's all that matters, to have fun.
Make it your own art car. All right.
Yeah, something that's more popular in Texas and California.
Okay.
If you look at Kiss
And you've got speakers. Do those actually work some? Wow.
Mag speakers work, everything works on it.
Okay.
You look at Kiss and Hex and Art Car,
Uh-huh.
Art Parade.
Yeah.
It can give you more about what car.
Okay. So tell me about this. Tell me about this box and all.
Alright, so me and a friend and my son.
Watch your legs real quick, boss.
Me and my son had the second creation of his idea of what he wanted in the back of this car.
Okay.
So he created that, and so I had to make it. And she likes space, so
Okay.
I just like to have fun with her.
So you actually have a port right here,
Port up there and a
port right here,
Yep.
and then where's the up there one? The other
Yep,
one.
that's it.
Those two. Okay.
Those 2 ports, what it does is it feeds back, all this connected to the back half of the 18. So
Got it.
it all breathes together in
Oh,
one.
so all common chamber to all three.
All common, and then you got 2 ports to relieve the 15 from the 18. From air
But there's still the 18s in the same box.
Yeah, everything's in the
Okay.
same box.
Okay. Nice. So this is
Right.
what subs are these?
This is the V what?
CVX or the DDX?
EBL.
EVL. EVL 1250 RMS. Okay.
Yeah.
And the Toros.
And Taurus, those are the 800 Toro Audio,
Yep.
and they're the 800 RMS.
Okay. And are these little mini subs or mid bass?
They're just highs. I broke the voice coil a couple of years back, so I just use them as highs.
Okay.
Since that, you know,
Yeah.
you run highs, it ain't doing you.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Alright, so what songs can you play without being...
Just do whatever you want, man.
you know,
give me
I don't
something
want
that
you to
you know.
get, like, no, I don't want to get you to know.
Do a bass track thing you played last time I heard it. You had a bandwidth where it was playing the lower frequencies and then it rose to the higher. And it
Well,
was all...
I want to do two setups with you.
Okay.
So, it's low, but it might work. Just want to give it the most of what it's going to do. It plays, I can go 17 with window up, but I ain't pushing them too hard today.
Yeah.
With him playing next to me, that's an interference, and I might
Yes, sir.
play myself.
What was your name?
Chris Robertson, but I call myself Frankenstein. It's Cyclist.
All right.
he off at 27.
27? Okay. That's it right there. Good bandwidth on the low end. It actually plays pretty low.
It plays, I can go 17 with window up, but I ain't pushing them too hard today.
Yeah.
With him playing next to me, that's an interference, and I might
Yes, sir.
play myself.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Nice
No
to meet you
problem.
again. What was your name?
Chris Robertson, but I call myself Frankenstein. It's Psycho.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you for showing me.